Today is my bike directly after work day, and I've decided that I'm gonna do some hills. I am doing my warm up right now, so I'm on a flat part, but I'm gonna do 3 8-minute efforts if I can. I'm gonna head toward the canyon and go up those hills. And I think that'll do me in pretty good. So it's supposed to rain tonight, and tomorrow and Friday. So I don't think I'll be biking on Thursday or Friday. So I definitely had to get it in today. Over there, it's starting to cloud up. It actually did rain a little bit earlier and it was very, very windy. That's when I decided to do an uphill ride. Might as well if I'm not gonna get any progress or anything since the wind's so strong. But it's actually not strong right now, and it stopped raining and the sun came back out. My Achilles is feeling a lot better, so I'm hoping that I don't aggravate it today. Whew. Here's my warm up, and I already can't breathe. Those storm clouds are starting to move over to my mountains I'm about to climb. Well, it's definitely started raining over there. We'll see what happens, see how long I get to ride, because I did not bring rain gear today. Finished my first 8 minutes. Oh, I was really trying to push it. Oh man, this shows me how out of shape I am. Well, I'm in an easy gear now, trying to recover. I was trying to keep it above 8 miles an hour. I'd say I got it about half the time, and every time it would drop, I'd gear back down. I mean, every time my speed would drop, I'd focus again, get it back up. Couldn't always get it back up to 8 miles an hour, but I got it higher than it was. Whoo! This is no joke. While I was struggling to breathe up that hill, I inhaled a gnat. It hit the back of my throat. Gave me a little coughing fit, but I kept going. Whoo! Section was 3 to 5% grades, and I think it's gonna be 5+ on this next section once I catch my breath. If I ever catch my breath again. Whew. Getting very dark and moody. There was actually sunshine up here when I started, right ahead of me, like over there. Well, there's no sunshine there, but there's blue sky. Last year, when I rode this road, I was in my granny gear every time. I just could not get out of it. So I think this one was a lot better. I haven't caught my breath, but I'm gonna be giving it another go in a minute here. I got it, an 8-minute effort, and I'm gonna start at 8 minutes. So 8-minute easy pedal, then back to hard pedal for 8 minutes. Oh, this is tough. Almost died. Whew. Not really, but I felt like it. I got up to 9%, and I was going 7 miles an hour, which I'm sure to anybody listening, that is slow. But that was hard. Oh. Well, I'm about to hit the gravel, so I won't be able to do another hill climb. At least until I turn around and then head back up again. Oh my gosh. I turned around to look behind me. Oh my gosh. I was gonna go on the gravel for a little bit, but I'm not sure that's a great idea. Whew. This is my own little avenue of the giants. They're pretty big trees. It is much cooler up here. I could feel the difference in the temperature. This was the snowmobile track that I was on with this bike actually. A couple months ago, maybe 3 months ago. Made it. I did 3 8-minute efforts. This last one was up to 11% grade. I was screaming. I was in so much pain. It's starting to rain on me, so I better turn back. Look at the snow. It is definitely raining. I'm gonna stop and put on my layer that I have with me because it's getting pretty cold now. Now that I'm heading downhill, I'm not working so hard. I was burning up. I can't tell if you can see the rain, but I can see it from here. Woo! That wind is cold. Still raining. I have to take off my shoes to get my leg warmers on. So I gotta take the extra time, but it's worth it when you're freezing. Well, I think the rain is passing. It's pretty light now, but I'm still glad to have my layer on, my windbreaker and my leg warmers, because I'm gonna be going downhill and it's gonna be cold, even if it's not raining on me. Look how cool that looks. I had to stop for that. It's amazing what a difference this thin layer makes. It's looking nasty. I'm just cruising down now. I don't even have to pedal if I don't want to. I am pedaling some, but I'm not pedaling hard. My thighs hurt so bad. Well, I think I'm gonna be done when I get to my car. Oh, look at that. That's amazing. Well, this ride, oh man, this one did my thighs and my quads in. But I'm sure it's good for me. I'm sure it will make me stronger. And that is definitely a good thing. Yep, I am going to call my ride done here. I'm gonna go home and get the dogs walked before the rain hits over there. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. Well, I will see you next time. And until then, get outside, push yourself beyond what you think you can do. It's amazing what you can do when you try. Well, I'm back home, and there's not really any threat of rain over here, but it is quite chilly now.